Hi, this is Malik Banks.
And George Murad bringing you the rundown with Red Door Metro. Today our topic is what advantages do buyers have by working with Red Door Metro. So Malik is one of our buyer specialists and his main focus is working with buyers. And right now in the market, it is as competitive as can be. Multiple offers, people selling the home in a matter of minutes after coming on the market for astronomical prices. How challenging has it been, Malik?
It's been extremely challenging, but we're trying to make the most out of it too.
Exactly. So what's really great is this past week, both Malik and Melanie both were able to ratify contracts for buyers that have been looking for a little while, but the way that they found the homes were really special. Malik, you want to tell us about that one?
Right, yeah. So one of the homes that we found was actually a off-market property. It was a property that came on market before, but the owners decided to withdraw it with the agent. So we reached out to the agent, tried to see what we could do about it, if there was anything that we could make happen. And we were able to successfully have our buyers put a contract in and ratify on the property, which means no competition, no escalations, and it was a very smooth process, and we have to network with a new agent as well.
I mean, amazing. That's amazing. Melanie, in the same week, there was a property that was on the market last year that was withdrawn, and she had kept in touch with the agent on a consistent basis. And finally, the agent contacted her and said she believes the clients are going to put the home back on the market. Melanie was able to get her clients in there, and the same as just what Malik said. They didn't have to compete with anyone else. They didn't have to escalate higher than what they needed to be, and they were able to get the home that they wanted. You know, this is the advantage. Right now, anyone can go out there and show you a house. Heck, you can even go look at your own house by going online, searching. I mean, the same information is available. What is going to be the next step in trying to find that needle in the haystack? And that's where we go above and beyond by doing this. We go out there and throw the haystack on the needle, as they say, right? So if you guys want to know more about our buyer program and what we do different, please call us today. I'd love to connect you with Malik or Melanie. And as always, thank you for allowing the Red Door Metro team to be your doorway to better living.